The WB002 Voice Amplifier by WinBridge is an essential tool for teachers, providing a powerful 15-watt output that effectively covers large areas, making it perfect for classroom settings. This wireless voice amplifier is incredibly user-friendly, as it automatically pairs with the Bluetooth headset microphone, allowing for quick and hassle-free operation without the need for a manual. Equipped with a robust 2,600 milliampere-hour power battery, the WB002 offers up to 9 hours of continuous voice amplification, making it ideal for long teaching sessions. The lightweight design of the voice amplifier allows it to be easily worn or carried, while the versatile Bluetooth headset can be used as a handheld microphone if desired. An affordable choice, the WB002 Voice Amplifier includes a Bluetooth earpiece, belt clip, and lanyard, and comes with a generous 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Teachers and presenters will appreciate the reliable performance and long-lasting battery life of this portable voice amplifier, making it a valuable addition to any educational environment.